Yeah, my name is Hetch Loureiro. I am the Business Development and Sales Director in ARQUIMEA. And ARQUIMEA is a Spanish company, technological company with different sectors. One of them is, of course, defense. We are committed with technology. We are committed with everything related with the latest development in technology. This loitering munition that is called Q-SLAM 40, Q from chirurgical, very accurate system that is able to, as you know, to be pilot to the very target. So you can fly it to the target. So everyone is now very concerned about this kind of ammunition. And in this case, ARQUIMEA has developed by itself its own product. We have been working already for more than 7 years in reaching the point where we are now. Mainly, the loitering munition is composed by three elements: the platform, the flying platform, the launcher, and the ground station. The ground station itself is composed by the tablet where you pilot the system and the antenna. When we start thinking about this system, we kept in mind two main things. One was the tactical. We want to develop something very tactical. That means that it's portable by two soldiers. It can be moved very easily and launched in a very easy way. The launcher is pneumatic launcher, so it can be very easily transported and managed. As a tactical system, it reaches 15 kilometers. It's able to fly for 15 minutes and it can fly far away from the operator 15 kilometers. That from the tactical point of view is more than enough. The warhead, we don't produce warheads. The warhead is very easy to install and to remove from the platform, and the warhead comes from 480 grams, almost half a kilo of anti-personnel ammunition, or anti-tank ammunition that goes to 1.2 kilos. We provide the system with the backpack, with everything to make the operation easy for the operator. This is the antenna for communication. The communications are encrypted between the ground station and the platform to make it safer. The engine is an electric engine, very not noisy at all. It's very silent. So it has a very silent signature. So this is one of the things. The other thing is the system is folded inside the launcher, and when he leaves the launcher, he opens the wings and starts flying, and start the engine, of course. I have to say that one of the main, if not the main, characteristic of the system is that we have designed the fuse. The fuse is an electromechanical fuse that can be activated or deactivated at will by the operator from the station. So anytime during the flight, anytime during the operation, the operator can activate or deactivate the fuse and, of course, the whole system. So, as I said before, due to having in mind the safety of the system, we have included this specific fuse. That is unique. It's really unique. Probably, if I have to highlight something, is that because we are the developers of the autopilot, we can adapt the system to any requirement, to any safety, security requirements, whatever we want to do with it. But the second thing is the fuse. The fuse is unique because we can recover it, because we can deactivate the whole system and flying back to the operational station. We have lots of requests. As I said before, the system is now, everyone wants to have this kind of ammunition because of the safety, because of the accuracy of the ammunition, and to some extent because of the price, because it's something different from the missile. This is much cheaper than a missile, but a lot of precision, a lot of accuracy. That is what the units and the armies require now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello, my name is Amit Moskovich. I'm Vice President of the Indirect Fires Weapon Systems Business Units in Elbit Systems Land. Definitely. First of all, the program for the Spanish Army called SILAM is for a new rocket artillery system for the Spanish Army. Elbit Systems is working in collaboration with Escribano and Expal to bring to the Spanish Army a new system, state-of-the-art solution, where we will transfer technology and production capabilities to Spain, both to Escribano and to Expal, to manufacture the launcher, and to manufacture the missiles locally. It's already public domain that we have signed a contract rather recently with Denmark for a few batteries of PULS launchers. And just yesterday it was publicly announced that we have signed a contract with the Netherlands, the Royal Netherlands Army, for a significant quantity of rocket launcher capabilities. Even if I don't go into specific comparison with other competitors, the PULS is a very unique and very flexible solution. We take into consideration that every army has its own fleet of vehicles. So the PULS has been designed from the beginning to be able to be adaptable to different types of vehicle and truck fleets. For instance, for the IDF, it's placed on the Oshkosh. For others, we've integrated with Tatra truck, MAN truck, Scania, and here we're going to integrate to the vehicle. So first of all, the key thing is that every army can maintain its own fleet without changing just because of the launcher. That's number one. Number two, the PULS can carry two pods simultaneously. The quantity of mission-ready missiles at every given moment that is on the PULS is sometimes twice, 4 times, and even 8 times than the competitors. In addition, the flexibility goes also to the integration to local legacy C4I and BMS systems and radio systems. We can support the integration to every component and system that is already within the Army. We can provide from training rockets through free flight rockets and up to precision guided rockets from 12 kilometers and up to 300 kilometers. What you can see here on the wall is a presentations of 3 types of precision guided rockets. The Aquila is a rocket for 35 or up to 40 kilometers depending on the type of warhead. The Extra for up to 150 kilometers precision guided rockets, and the Predator Hawk up to 300 kilometers precision guided rockets.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
First of all, we are not only one company, we are 2 companies working together, Elbit Systems and Escribano Mechanical Engineering, 2 Spanish 100% companies, dealing with technologies which is Elbit from Israel. There is a transfer of technology program with them, transfer of technology and transfer of production. In Spain we have a program which is to obtain about something around 12 launchers, 12 ammunition trucks. The work share, more or less, is Escribano is dealing with mainly with the launcher. Most of the launcher will be the integration on the truck, and the launcher system, hydraulics, mechanics, all these parts is made by Escribano, will be made by Escribano. And all related to the ammunition will be dealt with Elbit, but with some exceptions, because the Escribano, we have in Escribano guidance kit for the ammunition. Our idea, our concern is that having this kind of guidance included in the missiles. They have tell us, not officially, but they have tell us that the alternative, the option they have selected is having this kind of proposal like the one we are proposing, with the technologies which has some product from Kuben, Spanish industry involved on the production, manufacturing, integration, evolution, sustainment and so on.
My name is Rob Verbrugge. I'm one of the founders of this company. The company name is REEQ, and it stands actually for Range Extended Electrical Quad. It's working on a new development for lightweight hybrid platforms. Our vehicle is unique because we have a fully electric driveline, and in order to have enough energy on board, we also have a range extender on board, 20 kilowatts, to continuously charge the battery, so you have the capabilities of a very high range in the field, and also the capabilities of the fully silent. The entire vehicle is designed and developed in the Netherlands. I can explain. So I will start with this one. We have one architecture, so it's a serial hybrid architecture, and we created 2 base platform sizes. We have the small platform size and the large platform size. And with the small platform size, we create either an unmanned ground vehicle or a quad bike. And with the large platform size, we create the side-by-side or a larger UTV, unmanned ground vehicle. We do already have for 3 countries some assignments, and we have contact with almost any European country at the moment in order to have tests and to have a show and tell in all the countries. Main technical features: it's got 360 Nm of torque, 60 to 70 kilowatts of power. It weighs as a 4x4 around 1100 kilograms with a payload of 650 kilograms. If you extend it with the 6x6 axle, it's a bolt-on, then you have a payload of 1200 kilograms. And that's almost the same with the quad bike. Now it's a new product. Everybody needs to learn to work with this because it's silent, it's hybrid. You can use the energy to also power up other base camps, small camps, other vehicles. You can charge other vehicles, you can charge each other. And our first reaction would be simply try it, test it and believe it. Because that is something, if you have done it, if you've tried it, you will be sold.